and not everyone is talking about is the sacrifices we are making on a daily basis.
I think my son is my pillar, okay, more than my husband.
So for me, yoga started the day I saw the first video on my feed, and that day itself I had decided that I'll take it up, and I following up with yoga videos and all, I kind of understood it is not simple fitness regime. It is something more than what we see. It is more than what we are normally doing. And when we started off initially at the studio, the workouts were very drilling. We did feel the pain, we did feel the what kind of hard work is needed. But when we started on this turf, that is where it kicked in actually, that this is not just a normal competition. This is going to test our endurance, strength, our mental stress, and how we are going to deal with all of this. And I think, yeah, it is when we actually started working out on the turf kind of hit me. And then when we started working together as a team, so when I started or when I enrolled for yoga, it was more of me, my best. But now it is no more my best. And when we started working as a group, we all know each other's weakness, positives, negatives, and everything. I think that is when it started kicking off. Everyone talks about motivation, determination, hard work, diet, everything. But I think one thing which is very evident and not everyone is talking about is the sacrifices we are making on a daily basis. Not one day, not twice, not on only the time that we are spending on the turf. It's almost every day, because we are sacrificing a little bit of our personal time, and obviously we have chosen this, so we are ready for this. But still there are so many instances where we feel कि यार ये complete करके घर जाना है. Back out of the mind बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही है. Okay, my son is here, I have to pick him up from there. Okay, or my maid is not coming up, so ये करके पहले फिर बाद में घर का भी देखना है. And there are a lot of other things which is, because you are not going to leave away your daily lives for yoga. Yoga is a bigger part of us now, but उतना ही part हमारा personal life भी है, और वो हम बहुत सारा कुछ sacrifice कर रहे हैं. When we are here on the turf, there are so many other things which are going on our mind, and that is what something no one can feel or get to know when we are working. I think for Wendy, one word I can describe her is she's very enthusiastic about everything, and she's very positive. So when I saw the first video, like I said, about yoga, and I wanted to participate, first time, so I was very stupid to think that I will do it alone. Then I went across a lot of videos and realized, no, I need a partner. And the first person that clicked me or flashed in front of me was Wendy, because I know her enthusiasm. I know how she's in for everything, and that attitude makes me that I want her as my partner. So I never thought about anyone else. And her positive attitude, her thing of getting done, getting things done, or working towards it, is what I have admired a lot, and that is why I'm with her.
I think I've always wanted to do a CrossFit challenge. I should watch all those YouTube videos and I should see what they're doing. I have been weight training a lot. Before that, I was a runner, and this seemed like a combination of both. Okay, so when my partner Nazia actually said, "Wendy, this is there," it intrigued me, and I just said, "Yes, let's go for it." I think that is where it was, because it was in the back of my mind. But she put forward this and said, "Arey, ye India mein ho raha hai. We should do it." So that is where it came up for me. I think initially it was the physical pain, because we didn't know what we were doing, and we were lifting kind of heavy and all of that. Now I think it's more a mental game, okay, because we have got to a level where we've overcome the physical part. We know what our strength is. Now it's all about mental game, is how do we complete this in the specific time without doing the mistakes, without having the the time kind of disqualification and all of that. So it's all a mental game, having strategy. So now it's more mental than physical. So okay, I do participate in church competitions. There my family has seen me. I participate in the cricket competition, even of CrossFit. There also my family has seen me. But for yoga, no. Okay, my son is also an athlete, so he knows what it is, and I think quite supportive. I think my son is my pillar, okay, more than my husband, because sometimes husbands can be a little bit old school, okay, which is fine. Each has their own thought process. But yeah, my son is the one who encourages, go do it, mom. You can do it. I have good faith in you. So yes, yeah. Putting me in a very difficult situation because there's not one word, there is multiple words. But if I say one word is, I think everybody has a commitment now. Okay, we all show up. We try our best to show up. There are a lot of difficulties that happen in our lives. Okay, each has their own situations. I mean, for each of us, our situation is the most toughest. But still, we come here 5:40, 5:45 in the morning on a Saturday, which is a holiday. We show up. Okay, so I think commitment is there from everybody at the highest peak.